Leonardo AI Video, stunning, high-quality AI animation. Platforms like Leonardo AI now allow creators to generate detailed images and turn them into cinematic AI videos in minutes. In this video, the goal is to generate images and convert them into smooth AI animations using Leonardo's video features. So here we are going to be putting in our prompt. Leonardo works on a credit system, so if you look down here, you have 150 credits, and with those credits, you can create an image and a video right away. So from here, we're going to start off with the image, click on image, and then put in your prompt. Now, this is what I have in mind. This is what I want generated. It says a woman standing near a large window with soft natural sunlight, warm tones, realistic portrait photography, shallow depth of field, high detail, 4K. Now, this has a lot of detail and you could even add more. So you can add in as much details as you want to make sure that you get exactly the result that you want. So adjust your prompt, either add in more or reduce anything that would cause confusion. I'm going to remove a little bit of this, and then I'm just going to take this little bit out of here so as to not leave room for confusion. Now, this is my prompt. Click on generate. This is going to take up 40 tokens. All right, and then the generation has taken place. That brings us to our workspace. And here we can view our image that's been generated. So we have a woman here looking towards the camera, and then we have a window and some sunlight. So let's see how accurate the generated image is according to our prompt. So it says that there's a woman standing near a large window. So exactly, we have a woman and the window is large, and then with soft natural sunlight. So we can see that there is soft and natural sunlight as well. And then the tones are warm and we have a realistic portrait photography style. There's high detail and it is 4K. So this is absolutely in accordance to the prompt. So that was super simple. Now, when we created this or when we wanted to generate this, we didn't go into a lot of details. The kind of details that you can see over here. You have the image dimensions, the number of images you want, and then the model that you want to use to generate your image, or even the style dynamics. We did not go into those details, and we actually got a pretty good image just like that. But if you're looking to generate something specific, then you would definitely go into those details. Now, I here did not need a specific size for my image, and I didn't have a particular model that I wanted to use, so it was a perfect option for me. But if you do want to include that information, then here you can simply add those things into the prompt. So in your prompt, you can add in the details, what size you want, from here. So here, put in the size, and then from here, you can decide what dynamic you want to go for, and then also get help from AI. So either enter in the details here, or from here, you could go to image, and then your workspace is going to open up, and then you can get into further details. Now, what we can do here after we have our image, either if we're happy with this, then we can just select the image and then proceed. And the basic reason why we generated this image is to get a video out of this. So we want to use this image as a reference, and that is why getting the size or any other things are not important right now, because the end product that we want is the video. So you could just select the image and then move forward. You could also upscale the image, or if you're not happy with the image, then you could regenerate it by going up here, changing up your prompt, and then click generate again, and then get the image of your preference. So because we're good with the image, then we're just going to go down here and we're going to click on generate video. So from this image, we're going to generate our video. And now if you move up, you can see that the prompt area has been cleared, and then all the details have changed according to a video generation. Now here you're going to type in the prompt for the video that you want, and here you can see that the image has been linked here as a reference image. And then this is my prompt for the video. So it says the woman opens the window and looks out and feels a soft breeze. So that is what I want my video to be like. From over here, I'm going to decide on which model I want. Motion 2.0 fast is selected from here, which is this one down here. So we have Motion 2.0 fast selected, which gets a fast, high quality video preview without a long wait. And then for motion control, you can go here and decide what kind of camera movement you want for your video. So I'm going to look through, and what I think would be right for my video that I want is this one here, which is dolly right, and the camera is going to be moving towards the right very slowly. Now you have the left movement too, but because the window is to the left, I want the camera to go towards the right and focus on the woman feeling the breeze on her face. So let's select this one. After that, you have motion elements, which I do not want to get into. And then you have prompt enhance. So this is going to allow your prompts to be enhanced. You could turn this off completely or turn it completely on, but I don't want any strict rules as to not confuse. And I just want to leave a little bit of room for improvement. So I'm going to leave it on auto as it was. For style, the vibe, lighting, and color theme has already been set because of the image generated, and that will be used as reference, so I don't need to put all of that in. And then down here you have generation mode. So for generation mode, I'll go for 480p instead of 720p because this one is going to be faster. This one does give better quality, so decide between what you prefer. Right now, I want to go with the faster option. And then this time, I am going to worry about the video dimensions because that will be the final product and I'm definitely going to be posting it somewhere. So I need to make sure that I follow the dimensions carefully, and now I want it to be 9:16. And then the number of generations I'm going to leave at 1. So as all of that is done, we're just going to go up and we're going to hit that generate button. All right, let's take a look at our generation. This is our video, and this is exactly in accordance with our prompt, exactly what I envisioned. So repeatedly keep viewing your video. Now there is always room for improvement, and then keep viewing your video, go over it in detail. Now at first I thought this was absolutely perfect, but now as I keep viewing it again and again, I see that when the window opens up, you don't really see a breeze. Her hair is not moving, although the expressions show that there's a nice breeze and a pleasant breeze is being felt. You can't really see the breeze touching her face or moving her hair. So that is something which can be improved, along with her face at the start is not fully visible. So that would look better if her face was fully visible, or maybe if the video started right from this angle and she was looking over there and it started right there. So that would have been better. So there's always room for improvement, and you can keep improving until you're satisfied. Just go up here and then improve your prompt and then generate your video again. So you can absolutely do that. But for the first time and first generation, I think this is an amazing result. And it was absolutely fast the way that we wanted. So we chose fast here and here. So it was very quick. And then of course, finally, in the end, you are going to download your video as an MP4 once you have generated your final result. And so just like that, using Leonardo AI, you can generate detailed AI artwork and turn it into animated scenes without using traditional video editing or animation software.